Okay. How you feel, Chris?
Very nice.
Very nice. We're gonna have great success. I'll announce the winners of the giveaway for horsepower and torque towards the end of the video, and I'll comment on your comment in the last video.
I'll comment your comment in the comments.
I'm gonna have to clip that. Website.
Comment your comment in the comments.
So we're here at, it's one of your cousins, right? Your second cousin? Yeah. And what is the shop called again? Oh yeah. Kennedy Racing Engines. Yeah, I can read. I are English. So we're here, we're gonna be tuning, well, Chris is gonna be tuning Joseph's truck, but we're gonna tune this truck first. We won't be putting dyno numbers on it, but it's gonna be fucking beast. And once that's done, we'll throw mine on there. We do have the methanol kit. Everything seems to be working well with it, right? Yeah, so we're gonna get this off the trailer, get going on that, and we'll get started. Peace. Alright, so we're getting ready to do some first pulls on Joseph's S10. We're going to start off with 7 pounds of boost. It is a twin turbo setup. Again, we're not going to be showing the horsepower, but it's going to be pretty rowdy and pretty cool to see. And stay tuned for that. Like I said, we're about to do the first pull, and we'll eventually bump it up to 15-pound springs. Burning? I don't even know if my microphone can pick any of this up. I got rowdy. That's only 7 pounds of boost. Time to get mine up on there now. Chris is mostly just gonna start off getting the fueling right with the methanol kit in there, and then once he gets that right, we'll start playing with timing after the fact. But I'm gonna get my car ready up on the dyno now and start making some pulls. All right, well, we're getting close. I don't know why I'm feeling nervous all of a sudden. It could just be the humidity in the air, but it looked like my car was burning oil out of nowhere. Like, it's been fine, but I started it and go to back it into the dyno, and it looked like it was just burning a lot of oil out of nowhere. So I don't know what's up with that, but hopefully it's fine. We'll just keep an eye on it. And here we go. I'm hoping to make 600. Hopefully your guys' guesses, you know, good luck. Hopefully some of you, you get close. If you match torque and horsepower, you get 2 pieces of merch. Merch, 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 merch. You know, the closest horsepower and the closest torque are gonna get something. So 2 people potentially have a chance to win something, or 1 person has a chance to get 2 things. So I'm gonna finish wrapping this up, getting the car ready for the dyno, and start recording some passes. Chris is gonna dial in the fueling first. It sounds good.
Doing right there, the cycle probably going from about 50 to 135 mile an hour. The only thing I didn't update on there was the weight. I forgot.
Oh, it's like 4,000. Yeah, it's a heavy ass car. Yeah, hold on. 2011 Cadillac CTS-V Coupe, 4,200. So. She's a fat bitch. Do what? Yeah, it's deceiving. You think it'd be a light car, but. How we looking, guys? Four? Okay. I'm gonna have to voice over a lot of this video, I think, because that fan is just extremely loud, and there's no turning it off in between pulls to talk. So yeah, that's what. Yeah, that's my memory seat. I'm a tall bitch.
My head's only a few inches away, so I can't imagine what yours is. You're probably like...
Luckily, most of I got the seat like all the way down and kicked back like that.
Oh, cool.
They're just adjusting the tune, air-fuel ratios. I think they're going to do a log pull here in a second. Fire like probably 6 inches. Not far, but enough to go fire. So it looks like that pool did 488 from what he was just saying, but I'm not sure. Seemed like when we ran Joseph's truck, it was running a little low than what we thought it should be, but I'm gonna run inside. I know they're still doing adjustments, so hopefully it's just adjustments needed and pump that number up.
I'm gonna pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers in this racket.
Seems plenty freaking fat. On the
Yeah, a lot of, almost everyone that tunes these tunes them like fat.
Usually gasoline max by Rich is 12.5.
Yeah, I usually tune them
We're
to a
11.
12.
Yeah.
Do a 12.5.
So I'll tell you, when I was like in in some of the CTS-V groups I'm in, I'd ask around, and people were saying Lambda was like, you know, run it like 0.73.
7.7,
So
7.72.
some people say 7.6. So
You're mainly 7.6.
yeah, it might be what he's doing now, but
It'd be interesting to see if you did lean it just a little. I mean, what was that last pull?
This is the last one.
yeah,
I
518.
saw 488, but I guess it quit recording. It was still climbing. I'm sure.
That seems low, but no time. Oh, okay. I know you're still making adjustments. I was just like,
I was getting the feeling.
oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know what that one was where it fucking like. "Bah!" There was one where it was like bouncing off the rev limiter. It sounded. Very nice. How much? Oh wow, that's a pretty good, I would think a pretty good curve. Is that the last one?
That was the first. Of the
That was the
last
first one,
curve.
okay.
Alright.
Wait.
Craig 500?
Yeah,
Yeah.
509.
Nice.
Torque,
That's the best one there.
I know, yep. 522 torque, 509 wheel horsepower. That's a pretty, like,
That's a pretty nice little graphic.
that's smooth curve.
Air fuel.
What's the,
Yeah,
where
it's
does,
all good. So I only set it to 138, but y'all are dumping it well before that.
Well,
every
so I'm
time.
seeing 65 on the tach, and there's sometimes the first couple ones it just stopped on its own at fucking 6,000.
Yeah.
Like it just boop, and that was it. Fucking bucked, and that was it.
Hmm.
So these right here are bullshit because
What's that?
That's dumb.
That's not right.
Those AFRs right there.
Okay.
That's see, your power's falling, your torque's falling. That's
Yeah.
all just off throttle. So
Oh, okay.
you've closed the butterfly,
Yeah.
and so
Oh,
you're
air
not
fuel.
letting any air.
Air
flow.
fuels look great.
So it's good right through there. 11.5s
That's great.
on the top end.
I'm cool with that shit. 510 horsepower and 522 pound-feet.
We're gonna need that PDF though,
That's
because
bad. Like that.
almost everyone on my last video was saying it was gonna make like 650 horsepower or 600 horsepower and stuff.
Okay, so what would that be as a Dynojet number?
So that motor would probably be 650.
Dynojet wheel power 539,
Okay.
roughly.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. No. It's
that's
not.
just a mathematic formula that they're using.
Right. Yeah. To basically
It's
get the difference.
509.
It sounds like it's running damn good. That last run he added 2 degrees of timing. Yeah. He added 2 degrees of timing and turned the methanol up one knob.
You added 30 horsepower?
She gets it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. You want to try another 2 degrees or?
I leave that up to him because I
He
don't.
said ask Ian.
Oh.
What do you think? Another 2 degrees?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
I would.
She's still climbing. Why not?
Alright. Well, you heard it here. They're going to add 2 more degrees. I don't know enough to be able to make that call, but...
She likes it.
I mean, you can definitely see that fucking graph is like just climbing.
She likes the
I don't see any crazy like shit, so...
And you don't know for sure whether or not if they carried that on out there, the mile per hour, that made the pull longer, like it might keep climbing a little more, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know what limit they're running up against.
Well,
That's keeping them from doing it.
yeah, well what Joseph was saying, sometimes when he was doing the pull, it would stop itself or it would just keep going. So when it lets out, sometimes he's not letting it out. So
Did we give one of these to Chris yet?
not yet, sorry. I was talking to you. I'm in here vlogging like a real guy. Sorry, Chris. I was talking. Definitely do like that timing though, don't it? What are you doing here? Stop.
Oh!
What we make that
Pull
time?
number 1. I mean, it's almost symmetrical. 523, 522.
Air fuel, 11.3. We're good.
Damn. How many degrees of timing is that now?
So that first one really was.
522, 522.
That's
Pretty good for a street car.
second pull. Oh yeah.
What's the red one?
That's the last set of pulls. The best one from the last set of pulls.
Oh, okay. Oh, so that was our best last pull previously before we added the timing?
Correct.
Okay. Yeah. And it's pretty linear too. Like you can see almost like,
Oh, it's better everywhere.
yeah, so we're at 21 degrees? Hey, what boost are we making?
Your 11 Fords on the top. Pretty good. 0.78 Lambda. Like that?
I can always turn it up more if I want to again. But I think you're right.
Okay. That seems pretty good.
I mean, every time you're at 2 degrees, you pretty well move those lines.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna take much more.
Well, you know it's good when he's excited. Like he's like, damn, more.
You're fucking fun, dude, right here. Bad moves.
But not anything significant.
So you think we're done, Chris?
Yeah, I don't think we should risk trying to put any more in it.
Yeah. You want to tell people what you think?
Method timing, good.
Yeah. So we're at 21 degrees now. What was our max boost?
Let's see.
We'll print that one.
Yeah, that was a good one. Here, I'm gonna turn this fan off real quick.
Really, right at 13.
13? Okay. I thought we'd be a little higher, but I thought we were pushing like 15, 16 before.
Yeah, but if we're using the air now, it may not.
Oh yeah. Okay. That's pretty good improvements, I think.
Oh yeah.
522.
And it was showing 430 something.
Yeah. So we picked up 100 horsepower. Yeah. But that last graph that he did was 522, 522. Is it in park? Yeah, it's in park. I'm gonna do my vlogging thing. Film Joseph taking the straps off. Hard-working man. Look at those forearms. Oh, he's blushing. Just for the people, can we see that that comparison again?
It's up there.
No, the to
Between
the
last two
Dynajet,
sets.
the Dynajet shit again. I gotta make the people happy. I don't have to, but I'm just gonna. Yeah. So.
And I still kept timing out of it during peak.
Yeah.
Like it's very low there,
Okay.
but I let it scream off the top end.
Yeah. So the Dynajet's saying 550. So I mean, and I guarantee a lot of people's guesses for dyno numbers they're gonna be thinking a Dynajet dyno. So I mean, if this is making 550, that's closer to 600.
I was only adding timing above 4400.
Okay.
Yeah. Most of the shit earlier on didn't change very dramatically, but
Well, I mean, you can look how smooth that graph is.
Yeah.
it's smooth.
It's happy.
No, that's
She likes it.
that's a pretty nice graph. I don't know much about graphs, but you know, it looks pretty good. There you go.
And it almost looks like we could extend that rubber motor out. For some reason, though, we were getting some kind of random cut on some of them pulls at like 6,000.
Yeah, that's what Joseph was saying, so I don't really understand that.
What's happening though? That's weird.
With the meth kit, too.
It's begging for more camshaft, basically. Every time you put 2 degrees in, it's like, hey, one more camshaft.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, the cam's on the shelf.
The cam's on the cam's been on the shelf for like 7 months. That was technically that was the first performance mod.
And all of the
You mean
damn cooling mods.
You want me to print this?
But we picked up, what, 90 horse?
Damn near 100 horsepower.
From 4 degrees of timing and some ethanol.
Yeah.
You know,
Dude.
You know, it'd do really
No,
amazing
try 6
things if
degrees
you
of
got
timing
rid of
with
all regular gasoline and just fed it methanol.
Yeah, so oh yeah, well I don't want to feed it just methanol, but I see where you're going with this.
I mean, you know, it'd get a lot more expensive that way too.
Yeah,
because
for sure.
methanol is
Yeah.
I've got the damn controller up to like 6 right now, so you got a little bit more you could add.
Yeah, 6 is probably good.
Then you can really throw some fucking timing at it.
You keep fucking-
Take a weather report and write on these sound sheets for us.
That'd be cool. Damn, look at you, meteorologist too. What would you thought it would have made before all this, with all the mods?
I would say 600.
Yeah, that's what a lot of people were guessing. So honestly, that was my guess too, just reading forums and stuff. So 600. I asked him what he thought his guess would have been with all the mods. He said about 600. So
It's probably been about 675 to 700 at the time.
yeah.
Yeah.
'Cause that
Undoubtedly.
That 6-speed is probably a lot.
Yeah, Cadillac.
Sometimes you gotta go have a smooth ride and a fast ride, you know? And for that, there's only Cadillac.
Okay. Okay, salesman. Okay, salesman.
Right? I'm just saying.
That's a commercial. And for that, Cadillac. And then it just pops into some cinematic shots of the car.
I mean, go find that Lincoln that's doing that.
Right?
Show me that one.
Alright guys, thanks for staying along this part, this far in the video. Today is Wednesday, or no, today's Tuesday for me, Wednesday for you. So I was giving everyone plenty of time to put horsepower guesses in for the merch giveaway from the Alki Control video. I'm gonna go ahead and look at the comments here real quick. And I think what I had determined, we're right at 523 torque and 523 horsepower. Alright, so it looks like Johnny Ringo, you won the torque guess at 589 torque, and Dave, you were close to winning both. You came in at 605 and 590, so Johnny beat you by 1 horsepower torque closer to that guess. So Dave, congratulations. Johnny Ringo, congratulations. Go ahead and email me. You can email me. Go ahead and hit me up on Facebook Messenger or Instagram. That might be a lot easier. You can, links for that will be in the description of the video, to those pages. thanks everyone for watching. Be sure to like, comment the video, subscribe if you like the kind of content we're pushing out. Just want to thank everyone for helping us get to that 500 mark that happened this last week. Let's see what we can do to get us pushed to that 1,000 mark before. Let's try to do it before July. That'd be dope if we could do that. So sure to share with your friends. You know, I'm hoping to hit up some races this season. I don't know about drift racing just yet, but we'll be doing some drag races. Probably not bracket just yet, but we'll be hitting that up and hopefully doing some stupid stuff. So keep your eyes out for all kinds of project guys. I've got 3 cars. We got a few projects of Chris's that we may be working on. He's got that old pickup truck that we're gonna do an LS swap to. But thanks again, guys. Take it easy.